Hey guys, welcome back to Reviews and How-Tos. I'm Tyler. Today we're checking out this Moisture Absorber from Bevoll, and Bevoll did send this over to us for us to check out today. Now this is what you get right here. Moisture Absorber, electric-less dehumidifier, whatever you want to call this little contraption. Really cool. All you have to do is take this tablet, and you can touch the tablet here. However, the moisture that accumulates down in the bottom, it says to try not and come with in contact with that. Don't let that come in contact with like anything else. That's what it says on the instructions. So just be wary of that. And then after you've done that, you just simply put the top on here, clips into place, boom, there you go. And it is ready to go. This is great for like smaller rooms like your bathroom or maybe a laundry room, maybe even good in a plant room that has too much humidity in it. It says that this will not allow the humidity to go too low to where it would damage your plants. So overall, really cool little thing right here. Go ahead and check it out.